As a landlord, understanding the nuances around depreciation, safe harbors, real estate professional status, cost segregation studies, and other tax strategies can really help you save thousands during tax time. Today though, we're going to dive into the Schedule E, expense categories specifically, and how exactly you can leverage common tax deductions to dramatically reduce your tax bill. Remember to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow investors and real estate friends, and subscribe for more real estate content. Let's get started. Rental property expenses can widely vary, so understanding how to categorize them correctly is essential for accurate tax reporting. So let's break down some of the more common expense categories, typically what you're going to see on the Schedule E form. So the first is advertising and marketing. This category includes expenses related to obviously advertising your rental property, such as online listings, newspaper ads, and promotional materials as well. The next is repairs. So this category is going to cover the cost of repairs and the general sort of maintenance to keep your property in good condition. It includes expenses like fixing plumbing issues, painting, repairing appliances, but does not necessarily include improvements that you're trying to add the value to the actual property, such as capital value. The next is insurance. So all insurance policies taken out to cover your investment property. For example, fire insurance, flood insurance, liability insurance. These are all deductible expenses on the Schedule E form. The next is travel expenses. This category includes travel to and from your rental property for activities related to its management, such as inspections or repairs. The standard mileage rate for 2023 is 63.5 cents per mile. That's the amount that you can deduct per mile traveled in a vehicle. Now, this changes every year. You'll need to make sure that you stay on top of this as you go further into each tax year. They may change it at any point. The next is mortgage interest. If you have a mortgage on your rental property, the interest you pay is deductible. Amazingly, so make sure that you track that and report that accurately on that tax form. You can also deduct the interest on other loans such as credit cards and all these other things under the other interest category. Now, other deduction categories include things like depreciation, cleaning and maintenance, property management fees, legal and professional fees, supplies, taxes. There's quite a few other ones that you need to get your head around. Now, properly categorizing these expenses is really going to just allow you to maximize your deduction and therefore create a more profitable rental portfolio. And remember, keeping organized records, receipts, and invoices is crucial to substantiate your claims in the case of an audit. You need to be able to show proof of these if ever requested for evidence. Now, Landlord Studio offers a dedicated Schedule E report that is specifically designed to give you the data you need when filling out your Schedule E, just with the simple click of a button. So here's how to do it in Landlord Studio. Step 1, create your free account, import your income and expenses and transactions, get your whole account up to date, ready for tax time. You can do this through uploading your spreadsheet, mapping your spreadsheet categories to Landlord Studio, default expenses. Landlord Studio's default expense categories are actually in line with IRS Schedule E requirements. So, you can take a moment to review those categories and ensure your expenses from your spreadsheet or other sources do align with the IRS Schedule E categories as well. Step number 2 in Landlord Studio, you can connect your banks, you can reconcile transactions, even import up to 2 years of income and expense transactions from your bank account to quickly and easily reconcile transactions. You can even use our auto match feature and bank rules to streamline everything going forward. It creates a lot more automation in your day-to-day. Step 3, run your reports. Once all your transactions are accurately categorized, you can generate a Schedule E report within Landlord Studio in a couple of clicks. This report provides a comprehensive overview of your rental income and expenses, neatly organized into the Schedule E categories. And then step 4, you can export and share your data if you need to with a CPA, or simply just to export it and fill in the Schedule E. Now, exporting a Schedule E report and P&L as PDF or CSV file is really easy. Simply go into the report section and export that directly from the report itself. Now, if you're filing your tax return yourself using software like TurboTax, keep your reports handy and simply just copy the data across from our data from the reports into TurboTax or the product that you are using. Now, by using Landlord Studio, you not only simplify the tax preparation process, but you also gain a lot of valuable insight into your real estate investments. The software's user-friendly interface and robust features make it an indispensable tool for self-managing landlords and real estate investors. And remember, real estate investing can be incredibly rewarding, but it does require careful planning, organization, and collaboration with knowledgeable professionals. And by keeping accurate records of your real estate portfolio throughout the year, leveraging technology like Landlord Studio, and building a really strong partnership with your CPA, you're really setting yourself up for success. So if you found this video valuable, just please hit the like button below, share it with your fellow landlords and investors, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides and tips and expert advice that we release very often and frequently throughout our channels and socials. And if you have any questions, comments, or specific sort of topics you'd like us to discuss further, please leave a comment below or reach out to us at landlordstudio.com. Until next time, have a great day. Cheers.